Now, let's move on to understanding the employment market. To gain insights into the broader employment landscape, we start with the industry search. Based on your university major and professional skills, you may find certain industries of interest where you would like to contribute. Step 1. Add industry. Step 2. Confirm industry. Step 3. View report. Step 4. Modify report. To create a new industry report, enter the industry name, city, and country you want to explore, then click Confirm. For instance, if we're interested in the AI industry in Los Angeles, USA, simply type in the relevant details and click Confirm. There are 5 ways to conduct effective industry research. 1. Use online resources. Explore industry reports, blogs, and news platforms, e.g., LinkedIn, Glassdoor, industry-specific sites. 2. Follow thought leaders. Identify and follow influential leaders or companies in the field. 3. Network. Attend webinars, conferences, and networking events to gain insider perspectives. 4. Analyze job descriptions. Look for recurring skills, qualifications, and responsibilities in job postings. 5. Leverage social media. Follow relevant hashtags, groups, and discussions on platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. Once the report is generated, we can review the newly created industry overview. The market trend section below indicates that the AI sector is a popular choice. Below that, key companies are listed, including notable names like Tesla. Let's copy Tesla for the further company investigation. One of the most valuable sections is the career path examples. For example, in the AI industry, a typical freshman-level position is AI research assistant, which may have an average salary $60,000 per year, with key responsibilities outlined. Additionally, positions machine learning technician and data analyst are other junior-level roles you might consider. After gaining several years of relevant experience, you can progress to mid-level roles, and with decades of experience, you can become an expert in the field, achieving both financial rewards and a respected reputation. To support your career journey, you can find essential skills needed for your desired position, along with learning resources and networking opportunities to enhance your skills, knowledge, and connections. However, please note that the information provided by the AI may not always be completely accurate, as large language models cannot track the latest industry trends and news. For supplementary information, visit www.mynextmove.org, an industrial information database that offers valuable career insights.